me, Naya. I'm going to be unboxing so many toys. We have this. It's a snake and ladder. And we got two squishies. There's a car one. And here's a tooth one. And there's slime. And my little brother's puzzle. I already unboxed it, so we just need to play with it. And of course, I need stairs. Now, I'm going to be unboxing this one first. It's the snake and ladder. Let me just open it. Okay, scissors time. Okay, yeah. It's a little bit tricky to open. I opened it up. So we've got this for mixing this thing. See? Okay, and now we have this. It's the board itself. But it's not a board, see? It's like a rug, a small rug, and I think I see something in the top. Oh, and of course these things to play. We've got two. Okay. Now, we'll just set them aside. I'll just put it here. Okay, now for this thing, the slime. Okay, so here are the instructions. Okay. Purple, white, and open it up and take a look at the instructions. Now I'm going to open it up. There. Pink. Get the slime out. Ooh, so pink. Put it on this side. Pink and perfect. Put this thing here. This one here. Whoopsie daisy. Okay. Now this piece here. Look! Tiny little stuffing. Okay. Get the slime in there. Pink. And perfect. Okay. This pink slime is so slimy. Slimy. And slimy. Now these cute little tiny stuff. And now this purple one, open it up, put it here. The purple slime needs some help. Okay, now there's still slime inside. No, little baby, no. Okay. Put this one into the bowl. Just like that. Put it in there. Now for this white stuff. What is this actually?
Soda.
Okay, now let's put it over here. What is this? It's white slime. Okay. It smells like pudding. Okay. This white stuff here. Just like that. Okay, some got onto my finger. It's so slimy. Put it here. Put this slime here. White slime. Now, what do I do now? Let's see in the instruction. Mix it with what? My fingers, maybe? With this thing here. Mix it. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I don't have any sticks, so I'm using my hands. Cute. Take a look at this cute little slime. If it sticks to your hand, you can just add some like this. See? And poof, like that. It's gone. Poof. Some slime there. That's just plastic. What color will it be? Maybe a little purple, pink. Oh, it's so cute. It's so huge. And slime. It's stretchy. Slime, slime, slime. Oopsie. I just breaked it. It's a little bit stretchy. Can you see those? So slimy. Whoa. It's slimy. It's purple. See? It's so cute. It's slimy. I'm gonna be unboxing this squishy. It's so squishy. It is a tooth. Smells a little like toothpaste. So squishy. Can you see it? It's a galaxy color. And some toothpaste on its head. Galaxy, just like that car. So cute! With some toothpaste on its head. Okay, it's not that squishy, but it's so cute. So that's it. Oh yeah, and we're gonna be playing with these puzzles. Shake and mix and shake. Oh yeah. This came with the squishy. Okay, now easy peasy. Here, and here. Give a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Cute slime. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Cute.